Hello students and welcome to Top Scholars. Students, today we'll be talking about another very interesting topic, that is viral diseases. The very first disease we are going to study is AIDS. Let us quickly go through the full form of AIDS. Acquired Immunodeficiency Syndrome. Now students, this particular disease is caused by the pathogen known as the human immunodeficiency virus. It is a type of a retrovirus. Moving on students, the incubation period for this particular virus is 10 to 12 years, meaning you can get infected with the AIDS virus and not develop the disease for as long as 10 to 12 years. Next students, the mode of transfer is mainly through unprotected sexual intercourse, meaning intercourse without the use of condoms. Moving on students, it can also occur sometimes through contaminated blood transfusion, or it can also occur by transmission to the child from the mother. What does this mean? Students, if a mother has AIDS herself, and if she is pregnant, then she can give AIDS to her child right when the child is in her uterus. This occurs because viruses are very tiny, very small, and they can easily cross the placenta and enter the fetus's body through the mother. Moving on students, it can also occur through infected injection needles. And therefore, it is very common among drug users who usually share the needles for taking drugs. Moving on students, now let us talk about the symptoms of AIDS. In AIDS students, this particular virus, that is the HIV virus, it attacks the immune system. To be precise, it goes after and attacks the T helper cells. It is a type of lymphocyte. Moving on students, it can even lead to cancer. Also, it causes swollen lymph nodes, fever, night sweats, and unexplained weight loss. Students, remember one thing, the AIDS virus, that is the HIV virus, is attacking the immune system, and it makes the immune system so weak that the body falls prey to various kinds of other infections. The body basically has no ability to fight for itself, and therefore various infections like tuberculosis, pneumonia keep on happening in the patient having AIDS.
To learn more about this topic, download Toppscholars app.